Hello and welcome to this Solidworks tutorial. I'm going to show you how to design this interesting multifunctional Solidworks Zen device. First, let's take a look at the feature tree to see what commands are used in this video tutorial. I've used basic modeling tools like boss extrude, fillet, chamfer, mirror, cut sweep, plane, etc. As we can see, this model contains 27 solid bodies and 14 of them are used for this SolidWorks Zen logo. Okay, let's get started. Go to File, New, and select Part. This is the main screen. Now I want you to go to Top Plane and select Sketch. Now I want you to go to Center Rectangle and draw here a rectangle with the following dimensions. I need here you to put 30 millimeters and these dimensions, this dimension 50 millimeters. Now hit Ctrl key on your keyboard and select this line, this line, this line and this line and go to for construction. Okay, these dimensions 50 and 30 millimeters represent the overall dimensions of the multimedia device. Now go to circle and make one with its center in this point and click here. Okay, now I'm going to use this trim option and with this power trim option on, I click somewhere here and drag. Okay, I want now to select this line and this line and go uncheck this option. Let's go now to Features and Extrude Base. Now put here 5 millimeters and I want this option to be on, draft on, and well, let's take 15 degrees. Okay. So see what happens if I click here. Okay, I want this to be off and click OK. Now we have one solid body. I'm going to use this fillet option now and click on these edges. I want here 7 millimeters to round these edges. Okay. Now I'm going to use this chamfer option and click on this surface. Okay. I want 2 millimeters under 30 degrees. Okay. If you don't have this yellow preview, you have to go to this partial full or full preview. I recommend full preview. Okay, and select OK. Okay. This represents the upper body of this product. Just to simplify this tutorial, I'm going to connect upper and lower body into one solid body. Okay, this is the upper body. I want now to use the mirror option. Okay, mirror face, I select this face. And the features to mirror, I select boss extrude and fillet. Okay, see the preview. Confirm. Okay, I want to make some changes. Go to edit feature. Okay, here I need this fillet option that did not apply the first time. Okay, now it will be okay. Go now to fillet option and select this face. Okay, there is no preview because the radius is too large. I want here to put 3 millimeters. Okay, maybe 2. Now I want to make this part a little bit brighter, so I'm going to use this fillet option and put here 0.4 millimeters, and I'm going to hit this edge. Okay, confirm. And the second option that I'm going to use is this swept cut. Now for the proper working of this swept cut feature, you must select the profile and the path. That will be the second two sketches that I need to create first. So I'm going to right plane and sketch. Okay, I'm going to draw here a circle that has the radius of 2 millimeters, and I want this circle and this arc to be concentric. Okay, this is a close profile that I need, and now I need the path. Okay, I'm going to top plane and sketch, and then I want to mark this edge, and these following edges. Okay, and click here, convert entities. Now I need some center line. Okay, and go to trim and trim these parts right here. Okay, now I can use this sweep cut feature because I have the profile and I have the path. The profile is this circle, sketch 2, and the sketch 3 represents the path. Okay, sweep cut. Here I choose a profile, closed profile, and for the path I choose this sketch right here. Okay, this is the preview. Now I will create a new plane that is parallel to the front plane, and I'm going to hit this point right here. Okay, now it said that this plane is fully defined by this parallel option. Okay, this front plane and my new plane are parallel and are coincident with this point number 1. Okay, confirm. And now I'm going to do one profile, just follow my lead. Okay, and I'm going to draw this center line. Okay, select the center line and select horizontal. Now, okay, this line. Right here, okay. This dimension is 6 millimeter. I want from here and the center line 2 millimeters. The angle between the center line and this line I want to be 30 degrees. And the sketch is now black, that means it is fully defined, but I want to mirror that. Okay, mirror entities, select these lines, right click and mirror about the center line. Okay, I now have this profile that I'm going to use and extrude it. I want to extrude cut from this part. Okay, I need to close this profile before I can continue. So I'll go back and edit sketch. click line and do that confirm. Now I can use this extrude cut option. I'm going to select this profile and hit this button right here. Okay, see what's happened. Put here 2 millimeters and that's it. Select all bodies, yes, okay. Okay, that's the body number 2. I need to delete that, so I'm going back to the sketch, edit sketch. And what I need to do is to draw another line, delete this one, and use this extend entities like that, and trim this part. Okay, now I have close profile, but a little bit different than the first time. Okay, now I have only one body, and that's right. I'm going to use this fillet option now, but type here 0.3 millimeters. Okay, this is the option that I want, and this also. I want all the edges to be round. Okay. This represents the slot for my USB cable. Now I want to create another plane that is parallel to the plane 1. So hit on plane and select plane right here. And instead of putting here some number, click on this point right here. Okay. Confirm. And go to sketch on plane 2. I'm going to draw here a circle, and then I'm going to hit the control key on my keyboard and select this point and this circle and make them coincident. Yes. Now use this extrude cut option and type 3 millimeters. Okay. Use the fillet option to round these edges. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But type here 0.1 millimeter and without this tangent propagation. Okay. Confirm. The next thing I need to make are the grooves for the handle. So click on this plane and sketch, select sketch, and follow these dimensions. Four millimeters, 2 millimeters. Okay, make one center line from here to here and another one like that. Okay, go to smart dimension and this distance is 1. Okay, and from this origin point to this line I want 18 millimeters. Okay, 18. The sketch is fully defined now. I want to mirror this profile, so select these lines and go to mirror entities and mirror about this center line. Right click to confirm. Okay, now I have two profiles and I can go now to feature and extrude cut feature and select here 3 millimeters. Okay, 3 millimeters. Okay, now I have these slots for the handle. The next thing I want to create are the pins. Okay, the handle will rotate around these pins. I want to start from this surface and go to sketch. Control 8 on your keyboard for the normal view and click here for the section view. Okay, this is not the section view that I wanted. Go to cancel, select this surface and now go to section view and confirm. Okay, hit Control 8 again and draw a circle. Okay, this is the circle. I want the diameter to be 0.5 millimeters and the center, the distance between the center of the circle and this origin point, I want to be 0.7. No, sorry, I don't want that. I want the distance between this center of the circle and this edge right here to be 0.7. Okay, and rotate a little bit. I want okay, go back, Control 8, click on this point, hold Control key and hit this point, and I want them to be vertical. Okay, now the sketch is over. I can turn off this section view and go to Extrude Base. Here you put up to next. Okay, up to next. Merge the result and hit OK. And now I'm going to use the mirror option. Go to mirror, click this plus here, and okay, mirror about this right plane and features to mirror. Click this pin right here and right click to confirm. Okay, now I have this pin and this pin, and that's what I really wanted to achieve. Select this plane or this surface right here and go to sketch. Control 8 on your keyboard for the normal view, and now I'm going to create 3 polygons. The first one needs to look something like this. Select this line and, for example, this line and make them parallel. Okay, follow these dimensions now. Center point and this origin point. The distance between them I need to be 9 millimeters. Okay. The width of this polygon set to 4.5 millimeters. Okay. Sorry, I need to delete this. I want the distance between origin and this point to be 9 millimeters. Okay, and the distance between this center point and this origin, but in this direction, I want it to be 5.8 millimeters. And now this polygon is completely black. I want now to make it more. I want to complete 3 of them. So I'm going to select this polygon and go to linear sketch pattern, and here I can choose the number of these sketches that I want. I want 3 of them. Okay, and I want them to be distanced by 11.6 millimeters. Okay, confirm. And now I have 3 polygons. Go to extrude cut option and type here 2 millimeters. Okay. In these holes there will be placed 3 buttons that can be programmed easily, and with them you can manage your mobile phone or tablet from a distance. So for example, if you want to take a picture with your cell phone and you put your cell phone at a certain distance in front of you, you can launch this photo shooting action by pressing any of the buttons on this device. Okay. There is no yet any button, but we are going to create them now. Now go to this face and select sketch. Hit Ctrl 8 on your keyboard and we can start. Now hold your Ctrl key and select this face, and this face, and go to convert entities. Okay. Now I have 3 profiles that I want to extrude, so go to extrude and type here 2.3 millimeters. Okay, here is one important thing. I want these merge results to turn off. Okay, when I confirm, I will get 4 bodies. Okay, this is the housing that we did by now, and these buttons are now separate bodies from this casing. If I go back and click here merge result, if I confirm, there will be only one body. These buttons and this casing is now one body. I want to make them separate bodies, so I will turn off this option. Okay, and now I have 4 bodies. This is really important for me because I will do a render of this product later, and that allows me that I put different material on the different bodies. Okay, if I have only one body, I can put only one material. Now I want to create here the SolidWorks Zen logo. Okay, I can go here, tap here and select sketch. But before that, I really need to point something out here. Okay, this video is sponsored by Evolution. So Evolution, thank you for supporting this video. Now click here and go to Ctrl 8. Draw this center line somewhere here. Okay, and use the smart dimension. Put this distance 10 millimeter. Okay, and the overall distance of this line to 20 millimeters. Okay, and now go to this text option and type anything you want. I'm going to type SolidWorks Zen. Okay, and click here and select this curve. Okay, clearly these letters are too big, so go here, use font, use document font, click on font and select this unit's height, I don't know, 1.5 millimeters. Okay, that works for me. And center this, center line, confirm. Okay, go now to extrude and type 0.2 millimeters. Okay, turn off this option, merge result, because I want this letter to be separate bodies. Okay, and confirm. Now every of these letters are separate bodies, and I have now total amount of 18 separate bodies. I can group these letters. Okay, select this one and hold your shift key on your keyboard and select the last one, right click and go to add to new folder. Okay, and you can rename it. I'm going to use Solidworks Zen logo. Okay, and now I have this logo. I'll put a white color later on these letters and the red on these letters in my rendering project, but that's not the part of this tutorial. Okay, now I will design a handle. Okay, click here and go to sketch. This handle can be rotated up to 90 degrees and it can be used as a stand for your smartphone. Look at the picture below. Okay, now go to line and pick this point. Okay, and do something like this. Go to sketch fillet and click here on this point and make this. Okay, 6mm is fine. Now I want to offset this line, but in the opposite direction, so go here to reverse and type 1mm and confirm. And now I'm going to mirror these entities, but first I have to create a center line. Okay, and now I'm going to select these entities and go to mirror entities, and I'm going to mirror them about this center line. Okay, I need to close this profile, so this is really important step. Okay, like that. Now I can use extrude cut option and I can cut this profile. Okay, I want to extrude cut this profile right here and another one, this one right here. Okay, I have two selections and I'm going to confirm. Sorry, go back, edit feature, not 10mm but rather 2mm. Okay, 2mm. Okay, this is the slot where the handle will be placed. Rotate the product a little bit. Okay, go up to this surface and select sketch. Now choose this section view option. Okay, confirm and hit Ctrl 8 on your keyboard. Zoom a little bit and go to circle. Okay, circle. Make one here and then make this point and this point vertical. Okay, select the distance between this point and this edge 0.7mm. Okay, and the diameter I need to be 0.5. Okay, and choose offset from this circle for 0.5. Okay, now okay, I'm going to go back a little bit and I'm going to make some changes but without dimensions, so I can speed up this video a little bit. You can do it. Okay, I'm going to trim this line and this line. Okay, this is the closed profile and I can work with that. Extrude base and go up to surface, but first, okay, escape. First turn off this section view and now go to extrude base and select up to surface. Okay, and right click to confirm. Okay, I need to do one more change, edit feature, and I want this merge option to be off because this is the part of the handle, not the part of this casing. Okay, and now I'm going to mirror this part, mirror about this right plane, and features to mirror, select this feature and right click to confirm. Okay, I cannot not do that, but I can select bodies to mirror and then hit this body and right click to confirm. Okay, because this is the body, separate body. This is not a feature, this is a body, and this is also another body. Okay, now I have 20 bodies. Adjust the view, okay, and click on this surface, and select sketch, Control 8, and now I'm going to use this convert entities option, but I want that this line and this line not end here, but somewhere here, so I'm going to drag one line here, like this, and select this line and make it horizontal. Okay, and now go to extend entities and click here, 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 here. Okay, smart dimension, put the distance of 0.4, sorry, 0.6, okay, and click on this line and choose construction geometry. Now delete this one and this one and make one from this point to this point and again from this point to this point. Okay, I'm going to rotate that a little bit and I'm going to extrude this for amount of 2 millimeters or maybe 2.2, but I want to uncheck this option auto select and I want to select the bodies that I want. I want this body and this body. That means that these green bodies and this yellow body will represent one single body, and that's the handle. Okay, confirm. Now I will embellish a bit some parts using fillet option. So I'm going to fillet and select these fades and put 0.1 millimeter and confirm. Now I'm going to repeat this step for other buttons. Okay, confirm and fillet again and confirm. Okay, now fillet again, but this time 0.2 millimeters radius for those edges right, oh sorry, those edges right here. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to apply some filleting action on the handle. Okay, I go to solid bodies, and this is the handle. Okay, I want to hide all other bodies for now, so I'm going to choose this glasses icon. Okay, I want to make this handle more attractive by using this fillet option, and I'm going to put the radius of 0.3 millimeters and select some edges. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, not this one, but this one. Okay, confirm. Okay, I can use this fillet option again and click on this edge and on this edge and this one as well, and put here 0.5 millimeters. And now I'm going to use this fillet option one more time. Okay, fillet and select this surface and this surface, but with the radius of 0.3, and hit OK. Yes. Now I'm going to show all bodies. Okay. Now it looks way better. I need now to put the numbers on these buttons. Go now to this surface and select sketch. Okay, Control 8, and I need a few construction lines, so go to this, from this point to this point. Okay, and I want to make another one from this point to this point, and I'm going to use linear sketch pattern. Okay, and I want 3 lines with distance of 11.6 millimeters. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this line and fix them. So here goes the number 1. Follow my actions and put the same dimensions as I am. Okay, maybe I want to put here, I don't know, 0.8 and 0. And okay, for the number 2 also 0.8 and okay, 0.8, and here I want to do something like this. Okay, 0.2, 3 millimeters. Okay, 1.5 mirror. Okay, this line, and this line mirror about this one. Okay, I can delete this one line in the middle, and now I can offset these lines. No, sorry, not offset, linear sketch pattern. Okay, with the 0.8 millimeters distance, and confirm. I want to do that again, but on the opposite direction. So go linear sketch, okay, and hit this one button right here and 0.8 and confirm. Okay, now I have 3 buttons and I want to extrude them, 3 numbers, sorry, not buttons, numbers, and put here 0.2. Okay, and I want to be able to put different materials on these numbers, so I want to turn off this merge result option. Okay, and now I'm going to use this fillet option just to make these buttons look a little bit brighter, but I cannot do all these buttons at the same time. I need to do one body at a time, so fillet, okay, 0.1, confirm, and now the number 2, fillet, oh yes, okay, 0.1. I'm going to speed up the video now. Okay. The last thing I want to show you in this tutorial is how to make the USB cable that goes into this slot that we made together. Okay, this USB cable can provide you a connection from this device to your mobile phone, laptop or tablet. Okay, first I want to hide all other solid bodies except for this one. Okay, so I'm going to hide the rest of the bodies like this, and while this Solidworks Zen logo can stay, I want to apply a fillet here. But turn off this tangent propagation and choose 0.3 millimeters and confirm. Okay, the USB cable. Go to top plane, select sketch. Okay, and now choose this edge and all these other edges right here. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Don't forget the small ones. Okay. like that. Okay, and hit convert entities. Now I want to extend this line a little bit, okay, and choose the dimension of 3 millimeters. And now I can go to top plane and select this section view, confirm, okay, and I want to draw another line from this point to somewhere here and make the radius sketch fillet, okay, this line and this line, but with the radius of 0.6, okay, this line, like that, okay, and confirm. Now I have the path. Okay, I need this path because I want to use this feature right here, swept base, which is very similar to the swept cut that we used before. Go to this face and sketch. Now draw a circle, okay, with the diameter of 1.4 millimeters, okay. So this is the profile and this is the path. I'm going to start now this feature swept base, and for the profile I choose this one, this sketch, and for the path I choose this sketch. Okay, here is the preview. Maybe I need to do something with this radius because there is no good preview. Okay, edit sketch, and I'm going to type here 1 millimeter. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, swept base, profile, path. Okay, now it's working, and I want to confirm that. Okay, I forgot to do one thing. Now this is all the one body, but I want to separate the USB cable from the housing, so I need to go to options and turn off this merge result, like this. Okay. Rotate the product a little bit. Okay, I need a plane, new plane that is parallel to this surface. Okay, so new plane at a distance of 1.75 millimeters. Yes, this is the plane 3, and I can hide this plane 2 and plane 1 because we don't need them anymore. Now sketch on the plane 3. Okay, I'm going to create one center line from here to here and choose the distance of 5 millimeters. And now I'm going to create the polygon. Okay, I need this line to be parallel to this line, so make it parallel. Okay, the distance between these two lines, I need them to be 1.5 millimeters. The angle, okay, not the angle, the distance between these 2 points, I want 1.6, okay, that's fine. And this can be, okay, the sketch is already defined. I need one more dimension, okay, from this line to this line, and choose 4.5. Okay, now I can select these lines and mirror them about this center line. Okay, going to confirm now. Okay, this is the sketch. Go to Extrude Base feature and select this new sketch. I need to extrude in both directions, so I need to check this direction too also. And I'll put 1 millimeter here, or maybe 0.8 and 0.8. Okay, and here I deselect this auto select, and I want only to select this body, the USB cable. Okay. Now hide this casing, and I will apply the fillet on this face and this face, but with the radius of 0.6 millimeters. So let's see what we get. Okay, it looks nice. I can do this again, but this time with 0.1 millimeter. Okay. Now I can unhide all the bodies. Okay. Show. Okay. One more time. Show. Okay. Here they are. And this is the product, which has a very interesting application. Once again, thank you Evolution for supporting this video tutorial and for providing the insight into this small yet very powerful device. Goodbye.